Welcome back to another video of What's Cooking with Lizzie. Today I'm making beef double-decker tacos, and I've already had the meat pre-cooked with the taco seasoning in it. So the first thing you'll need to do is I have 2 soft tacos, 2 hard tacos, and some sour cream. So I'm going to spread the sour cream all over the soft taco. Put the hard taco on, and you kind of want to break it just so it makes a taco shape. And then add your toppings, whatever ones you like. Here I have lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and sour cream and salsa on the side. We're going to add our lettuce. Tomato, onion, and our cheese. And there you got one of them. Pretty. And then on to the second one. Same thing. Just all right. Add your meat. Trying to serve them around. It's always good. All right. And there you have the double-decker beef tacos. All right, these beef double-decker tacos will be in the bistro and the cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you.